Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I'm going to be doing the Creative Notions unboxing, and they have wrapped their packaging. It's not in the little box, it's actually in Halloween packaging. I've opened up the package, but nothing else. So we have a little package here, and then we have our fabric in there. So we're going to open this first. It's got a cute little witch on it. See what we got in here. Okay. We have our pen. Let me take it out of here so you can take a look at it. Let's shake it down there. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. And then we have a wooden kitty cat face. It's laser cut wood, a button Halloween cat. Let's put it over there. Its eyes, the little eyes are where you'd put your thread to sew it on to whatever you're going to put it on. And then candy, a caramel apple pops. I don't know who that's by. Green apple candy with chewy caramel. Caramel apple pops. And then there's a pattern, which is for a pumpkin patch table runner, a 15 by 36. Those are cute pumpkins. And it's quilt as you go table runner. Let's take it out here. Take a look at it. Okay. And they have the pumpkin. One is right side up and the next one's upside down, and they have faces. And I think you go to, since they're not on here, I'm going to guess you go to a website. Let me look and see. What does it say? I guess I ought to put it right side up. Yes. So we go to a website and click on the tutorial, and they'll have the templates for the faces. But look how cute that is. And the faces look like that. Yeah, that is right side up. And let's take a look at the fabric here. Okay. It says Creative Notions October subscription box. Here's what that looks like. And oh my gosh, are these beautiful. Let me pull them out like this first so you have an idea. And then I'll open up each one of these so you can see them. Of course, now that right there makes me think of the feet of the witch where the house fell on her. I'm trying to think in The Wizard of Oz. I think it's the Wicked Witch of the East, I think it was. I can't remember if it was the East or the West. And then this has kittens. It has a ghost pumpkin, a witch holding the pumpkin. Sort of a cream color. And then this is the same thing, but in a gray background. And then we have checkered, which is black and purple. Then we have green with candy corn. We have a dark orange, and then it has owls, candy corn, pumpkin, a witch's hat. Let me turn it this way so you can see it with 3 pumpkins on it on that side. And this is like a house that the witch, or castle or whatever that the witch is going over. And then the next one is purple with yellow. It looks like the feet in the shoes. And then the last one is orange with swirls on it. There you go. And that's the fabric, and that's it. And I think that those are great fabrics. I can't wait to design something. And of course, I'll let you see when I get done with it. I'll probably put it on hold. I have some more boxings to do. I'm going to go ahead and do a couple more today because I'm behind on my boxes, but I have some other things also that I want to show you. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and put your click on the little bell so that you know when my other ones come out. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.